Downtown Kingston, Princess Street. Two men shot dead. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari Soldier. Greetings, and salutations to all nations. This one is especially to all Jamaicans. Ladies and gentlemen, you know it's your favorite news reporter. I'm Rastafari Soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Downtown Kingston, ladies and gentlemen, it's been reported that two men has been gunned down on Princess Street, Kingston, Jamaica. The crime scene detectives are currently probing murder of two men on Princess Street in downtown Kingston. The men were reportedly shot and killed sometime after 12 noon on Monday, Megal Day. The deceased have been identified by their alias, Grabberman and Killy. Unfortunately, Killy got quang and Grabberman get burned out. Several businesses in the area have reported been affected since the shooting, meaning say Grabberman family them. And Killy thugs them, where the killy them want some kind of revenge. Ladies and gentlemen, the gun violence in Jamaica is getting out of hand. Let me know if a demons are what are going in a them ya time ya me fam. Is it because I close to the sorrel drinking and the sorrel remind them of the blood? Me no know where them vampire come from in a me country. Black people, you no need to repent from what you know do, because every day, everywhere, me looking at the news, I cannot refute. It seems like we're worshiping the evilest brutes. Another example, my people, it's downtown Kingston, 12 o'clock middle day. Them no care, them not stray. A pair bullets the boy them spray. Kingston crime scene detective are still probing the murder of these two people. Princess Street, a busy place that in a Kingston. Why them do it? Leave your comment, family and friends. What can we do? Make we know. What can we do right now? It appears that black men out of Jamaica are bloodthirst. Or even worse, them are show them true colors that they're evil brutes, that they're really not the keepers of their brothers. Because in this time, mankind are so unkind. And the people them that's been through it, been through the valleys, been over the hill, dropped even in the gully, and climbed out the precipice, has turned themselves on themselves and are biting on the necks and biting at the heels at their own people, their own family. It is a shame. For the last 2 weeks, many have deceased. Jamaica need to utilize the law of the death penalty. They keep on using the strategy of control chaos on the people and allowing innocent men, women, and children to pay for the brutes as they use the fear of the people to control them. But this too will end. Like my mother would say, people. The evilness is being disseminated from the head. Because here you have Toyota. Me not say them innocent, cause I'm telling you, we have some evil brutes. Me say as serials them. But you have Grabberman and you have Kelly. Him have a bad name. killy. Grab a man, me can't say you are a hustler. Killy, you are thugs. Hagyalis. Cause some of you no have name and that the name alone cause no malice. They said several business has been affected by this killing. It's Princess Street. They're so hot right now. Not even shave ice can cool it down. People of Jamaican heritage, why are we so evil? Condolences to the family is a must. But guess what? Them say birds of a feather flock together. Enough time you hear them quanging your people. They boy them not innocent. So mommy don't cry no more. Don't you cry no more. Because if them plant corn, them a go pick up corn. And if them did a plant peace and love and righteousness and them get wet, it's a tragedy. But most of them people you hear are get taken out early, involved in a nastiness. That's the nicest way me can say it. 2 men shot dead, ladies and gentlemen, downtown, Middle Day, Princess Street. The gun violence in Jamaica is getting out of hand. And Jamaica do not make those kind of weapons. Me understand if it was a man get a little slice on him hand or a little machete chop or something. But every day we are losing daughters, fathers, mothers and sons at the hands of illegal weapons. Cause no licensed firearm man now go use him weapon and do no crime when think him will get catch. Cause the licensed firearm man is out there to protect. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV. Subscribe, like and share. Leave your comment. Share the content for the Rastaman. Let me know what Jamaica can do to make Jamaica safe again. A more life, a more joy, yeah, and a more nappiness. That I and I man I wish. Yes, I. Shut up.